like them. It sucks me out to think like them.
Hi guys, hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. Feel free to like, subscribe, do the YouTube things. We'd appreciate it. Today I'm here with my Ipsy, and this is April's, and I'm not affiliated with them. I don't get no PR, I don't get nothing. I pay for this myself. Okay, it's $32 and $1.99 for hand. Now they also have the glam bag, which I am no longer getting because I find I don't reach for sample sizes. And so I thought, well, I'll just move up to Boxy Charm where it's full size. And because I love when they have the icon box, and they have that 4 times a year. And it's a little bit more expensive. I think it's like $65, but it's also worth a lot more. But anyway, when you open it, it looks like this. And it has your little thing. They're trying to sell you stuff, of course. Now this, I don't remember if I got to choose anything because this is my first one of Boxycharm. And what I did was I canceled my Ipsy, and then I waited until the new box came out so I wouldn't get charged for another Ipsy. So that's what I did. Okay, the first thing I have is Wander Beauty. And I'll have all the links down below in the description and the values because I don't see a card with the values in it this time. Sometimes I'll put them in there and sometimes they don't. But this is Wander Beauty Mile High Club Lengthen Define Mascara in Espresso. Now, it's a mascara. I'm not going to take it out because I got 900 of them open. But I will put that in my list because I'm doing a video on them. And I have 6 done. So I'm going to put that one up when I can. And then I'm just going to continue it. So then, this is Perfect Strokes Eyeliner Gel in True Black. Looks like this. And there you have it. It's definitely black. You can go on the side for a broader line, or the top for a thinner line. I don't mind these or the felt tip ones, but those old ones where you had to burn them, the pencils, I don't like those. Those even hurt if you don't burn them. Not for me. And then we got OFRA Midi Palette Blossom Blush. And I may not swatch this one because I believe I have this one already. But I will show it to you. But there's no mirror anyway. Now, honestly, you could use this for bronzer, blush, and highlight. And you see how they make their things where you can just refill them and take those pans out and refill them. But it's nice. But I'm not gonna ruin it because I already have one of these. I know I do. Just don't know where. Oh, it's probably when I got that OFRA mystery box that time. So there's that. Because I probably will be giving it away. I'll either give it away or something. And I got Luna Magic Face Brush Set. None are falling out. And it's pretty dense and pretty soft, so. None of them are falling out, so they're a pretty good brush. They feel good in your hands. And here it says blend the rules. And here it says glow up. I'm assuming this is for highlighter and this is just to blend everything together. Well, a little red there. Oh well. We're good. Then the last thing we got is NATASHA DENONA Hot Taupic. And I know I don't have much, because I only have, I think, one NATASHA DENONA palette, because she's expensive. She's expensive. Gosh, my hair. It's having a day all itself, isn't it? Oh, and this lipstick, this is not what I put on this morning when I got up. This was in another box. It's a little bold. It's YSL, in case you're wondering. And these are the colors. There's 3 shimmers and 2 mattes. And you know, this is the typical, you see that matches my skin, so you're not going to be able to see that color. And her formulas are very creamy. Yeah, that's kind of a pretty color, isn't it? It's like a silver. That's pretty too. Of course, I'm more into shimmers anyway. So those are the colors. So, and there's the complete palette again. So anyway, that is